Watch this. Follow these simple steps. First, open your browser and search for scenepack.coms or visual scene packs. Download any scene pack you want. Import it into After Effects and cut all the scenes you want to use in your edit. Render it using these settings. Then open Topaz Video AI and apply my settings. Import the enhanced clip back into After Effects and start making your edit. After finishing your edit, add this CC at the end and export using the same settings. You can find the CC in my Discord server. Import the final edit into Topaz one more time and use these light settings to remove any grain caused by the CC. Finally, open HandBrake and compress the video using my settings. This will reduce the file size while keeping the quality as close to the original as possible. That's it guys, see you in the next one.